masters and you wanna qualify NET, GATE, SET or any other competitive exam during your masters, then this video is for you. First of all, before digging into the preparation, know that everything is possible. And अगर आपने ये एम बना लिया है that you wanna crack the competitive exam during your masters, then time management is the key. Because everyone has got same 24 hours only, but the difference is some use it wisely but others spend it blindly. So let's do a very simple math. If you are a regular student, then assuming आप 9 AM to 5 PM अपने कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी में रहते हैं to attend your lectures. So 8 hours are gone. Now assuming 2 hours traveling में गए, आने जाने में गए, रेडी होने में गए and बाकी activities में गए. So basically 10 hours are gone. Now, if you sleep for like 8 hours and meals plus entertainment like for 2 hours, then again your 10 hours are gone. So basically 24 hours में से आपके 20 hours चले गए. But wait, you still have those 4 hours with you. अगर आप 1 घंटा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं या you are doing any other activity, then you still have 3 hours with you. And these 3 hours every single day repeatedly for 5 to 6 months can actually do wonders in your life. अगर आप 3 घंटा कंसिस्टेंटली हर दिन पढ़ाई करते हैं then no one can stop you from achieving your goals. Now you can give these hours by waking up early in the morning or by staying late in the night, whatever suits best for you. And अगर आपके कॉलेज में अटेंडेंस का इशू नहीं होता है then you have an advantage over many others. And if you think you are able to study productively during your college hours, then just go for it. I'm saying this because देखिए आपका विजन काफ़ी क्लियर होना चाहिए that 2 साल बाद like आपके मास्टर्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद आपको क्या चाहिए. You need a good CGPA in your masters with no rank in NET or GATE or any other competitive exams, या फिर 60 to 70% in masters with top rank in GATE or NET. Apologies if any. So your vision should be very clear from the beginning itself. Plus, very frankly speaking, NET में मास्टर्स के फर्स्ट ईयर का ही सिलेबस होता है which makes it even more easier for anybody to crack the exam. And also NET साल में 2 बार कंडक्ट किया जाता है which means you have 4 attempts with you during your masters. So just target 1 attempt and give your 100%. Okay. So now let's see the step-by-step process of how someone should be starting for the competitive exam. So before starting your preparation, always go through the syllabus. So let's bring the syllabus now. Now I will be giving the example of CSIR NET mathematics and you can compare them accordingly. So now what if I say that this is not your syllabus, but only this is your syllabus? Yes. Now it might be little difficult to digest, but आपका syllabus दिखने में चाहे कितना भी बड़ा हो, you just have to study 40% of it. Yes, exactly 40%. If you wanna check what should be the 40% syllabus of your subject, then here is a way for you. So write down all the topic or the subject names present in the syllabus in a blank sheet. After that, collect previous year question papers of that subject. And now go through each and every question very carefully. Now we are going to analyze the question papers. So this is the paper of CSIR NET December 2023 subject mathematics, and you can compare your subject accordingly. Now in part B, I will see question number 1, and since this question is of complex analysis, I'll put it into the category of complex analysis and I will also add weightage of the question. Then question 2 comes in the integral equation and contains 3 marks, so I will put it in this category. And yeah, so on. I will do this for each and every question. Now after doing all this hard work, clearly I can classify which topic covers more marks and which topic covers no marks. So basically, after doing all this, if I study numerical analysis which contains less marks as compared to other topics, then I'm just going to waste my time and energy. So instead, I'll focus on real analysis, linear algebra and so on. अब ये करने के बाद आपका आधा काम हो चुका है. अब आपको पता है कि क्या पढ़ना है. Now we will see आपको कैसे पढ़ना है. So now I'm assuming that you are doing self-study. So, whatever the subject may be, start with your favorite topic or your favorite subject and firstly go through the concepts and try to put the concepts in your blood. Like, आपने definition पढ़ ली, then close your book and go out for a walk and think upon it. Try to understand it, try to connect it with other concepts. This is the best way of studying anything. After this is done, solve as many questions as you can. So it should basically be like 30% studying concepts and 70% practicing questions. Now, while practicing questions, make sure you practice PYQs, प्लस यू ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस ऑफ अदर सिमिलर एग्जाम्स. जैसे कि अगर आप नेट का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं देन ऑलवेज try to solve the questions of GATE, TFR and other similar examinations. Plus बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स या अकेडमीज़ अपने प्रैक्टिस असाइनमेंट्स भी बनाती हैं जो कि टेलीग्राम में फ्रीली अवेलेबल होते हैं, सो यू कैन प्रैक्टिस देम एज वेल. But solving PYQs at least twice or thrice is must for any competitive exam. And last में before 60 or 90 days from your exam, आप कोई भी टेस्ट सीरीज ले लेना so that you know where you stand out of 200 or 300 people. And टेस्ट सीरीज से ना आप टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी सीखते हैं because no matter questions कितने भी easy या कितने भी difficult क्यों ना हो, your task is to solve them in a given limited time. So yeah, that's it. Just work for it and you will get it. If you have any doubts or queries, do let me know in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep hustling, keep studying, take care, bye.